Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the new Instagram story features called Reveal. So Reveal is new on Instagram, where you can upload a story on Blur. So if your followers want to see the story, they need to message you first on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So click on the plus icon to start a new story. Then just select the background. You can use a photo. Okay, so I'm going to use this photo for example. So after that, click on the sticker icon at the top and choose this reveal option. So you can see this story will be blurred, so people can see it after they message you. So you need to explain what's hidden, or you can just skip this part, but I'm going to just for example write a beautiful place for example. And after that, click on done on the top right corner, and you can place the sticker everywhere. So I'm going to try to upload it for my close friend only to see the result. Okay, let's see the result. Oh, it's still posting. Okay, so when my friends see this story, it will be bird, so they need to click on this message to reveal button, and they need to contact me on DM. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.